All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Camshaft kit here, show you guys what we're working with. So, as always, packed with some ARP Moly Lube, Loctite, all that good stuff you're gonna need for the install. We got a little sticker here. Very thorough instructions to really help you guys walk through this. These kits aren't as invasive as you think. Most guys can knock them out at the house. You can purchase all the specialty tools needed here at Lifestyle Cycles or have them install it. Got our gasket kit, some nice backing. Here we got our HP Plus Series lifters, our 472 camshaft. This will be our HP Plus Series oil pump here. Check that guy out. And our cam plate. So, some ARP hardware included in all our Camshaft kits. And we got our high flow, high volume cam plate.
So Harry, looking at this kit, it looks like it's pretty complete, but one of the big questions we get from all of our viewers all the time is there anything else they're going to need to put this in?
No, here at Fueling, all of our Camshaft kits, like this Milwaukee 8-1 in front of us, is a complete kit with everything you'll need. We include even Loctite, ARP Lube, we got our cam bearing hardwares, everything the guy will need at home to install his kit.
That's just great. So Harry, for installing this kit right here, what are we looking at time frame wise for somebody with moderate mechanical abilities?
This kit's not super invasive. It can be a little bit scary getting in there, but it's really not bad. We have very thorough instructions included, and for the average guy that's pretty mechanically inclined, or maybe not so, it probably will take them a majority of the Saturday afternoon.
That's not bad at all. How about the specialty tools? Any specialty tools that are going to be needed on this?
One that comes to mind would be a cam bearing puller and some other specialty tools that may help you along the way, but Lifestyle Cycles has you covered in all that.
That's awesome. Yeah, all our guys can't wait to get started on putting these in.
Awesome.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.